Hello everyone, it's me Sayuj and welcome back to the third part of Admin Dashboard or Responsive Admin Dashboard. Okay, till now we have created the navigation lower bar, the header or app bar, and we created analytic cards, discussion parts, and we created a bar chart of users. Okay, let's check the previous sections what we have done. Okay, when it's come to the mobile screen view, it will all collapse to a column and we can store in that. And when it's come to a tab view, okay, its size is according to, okay, let's bigger than tab view. Okay, assume that this is the size of a tab, and then we have a navigation provider like that, and rest of the UI created. And when it's come to the desktop view, it has no navigation drawer part. It's already the functions are given in this column, in this container, and the rest UI is here. Okay, in this section we need to complete this UI. We have to create the top reference part. We have a line chart here, and we have a a pie chart here. Okay, let's assume that it's a pie chart figure. Okay, and without further ado, let's get started to this. Okay, go to our. Okay, now we have to create. Let's first create this thing, top reference part. For that, first let us create. Okay, in the dashboard content string, okay, it's the column. Okay, after this row, let's create another row. Okay, and let the cross-axis alignment of the row be cross-axis alignment dot start. Okay, then let's have children. Then first children will be it's same as here. Okay, not here. It's same as here. It will use same width as this, and the width of this is same. Okay. Then here, let's give an expanded widget, and the child will be. Okay, what should be used? I think it's better to copy this thing and paste it there. We are using almost exactly the same UI, but just replace the things. Okay, let's just copy this. Just copy this row and paste it instead of this. Okay, if you want, we can check this out. What's happening here? Okay, now. Okay, it crashes. Let's restart. Okay, let's it starts. We can code. Okay, in this here we have a column and we have analytic cards. For this we does not need analytic cards. We need another thing which is top reference, and this is using the whole flex 5 thing, and we need to split that out. Okay, it's successfully reloaded. Let's let it be here. Okay, let's expand. Okay, then inside this column we have to create two things here. Okay, for that let's remove these analytic cards, and we need another thing called top reference. let's create this top reference. For that, let's go to the screens and inside the components, let's create a new Dart file and call it as top reference. Okay. Here, let's import Flutter material.dart. Let's create a stateless widget and call it as top reference. Okay. Then let's copy this. Let's import that here. Alt enter. Okay, the name is different. Let's go. Okay, let's paste it here. And let's import. Okay, now that's imported. Here, let's give the height of this container as 350 and let's give a color. Let it be primary color. Okay, let's reload the app. Yeah, it's reloading. Yeah, and he uses down. Okay, we does not need this. We have to remove that. Okay, we have a primary a big box here, big container, and the top reference is only using this much space of the screen. Okay, let's do that. For that, go to dashboard contact. Here we does not need this user. Let's remove that. And we need, okay, let's wrap this top reference with a row, and let's wrap this top reference again with an expanded widget. Expanded. Okay. Now let's give a flex here. It's not going here. Let's give it downwards. A flex of 2. And anything else we need? Okay, let's give a cross-axis alignment. It's not. Okay, let's give it cross-axis alignment to start. Cross-axis alignment dot start. Okay, let's reload and try. Okay, it's again like that. Okay, for that we need one more child for this. Let it be just a container. Or let's place it in an expanded widget. Let's place it in an expanded widget. Sorry, expanded widget, and let's give a flex of 3. And now let's reload once again. Yeah, we only need this much. It's perfectly fine for this. Yeah. Next, now we can go to the top reference and let's remove the primary color for now. And let's give a padding here. Padding will be edge insets all, app padding. Okay, that's done. And let's have a decoration, box decoration, and color will be secondary color. Here this is secondary color. And let's give a border radius. Border radius dot circular. Let it be 10. Okay, let's reload and check. Yeah, here it is. It's all good. And next, let us have a child for this container. Child will be column, and let's give a cross-axis alignment. Let it be cross-axis alignment dot start, and let's have children. And the first children will be, let me check the design. Okay, it's same as this. Should we copy? Oh, should we copy or let's type? Okay, let's go. Let's have a row. Main axis alignment. Main axis alignment dot space between. And let's have children. First children will be text. It will be top reference. Forgot to put it in the quotes. Okay, and let's style it. Text style. Font size will be 50. Font weight will be W700, and the font color will be text color. Okay, that's done. Let's reload and check. Yeah, it's done. And let's copy and paste this again. Copy and paste. And change this to view all. Change font size to 13. Font weight to bold. And text color will have an opacity with opacity 0.5. Let's reload. It's reloading. Yeah, it's look perfect. And let's code the rest. Now we have to create this reference string. Top reference. Okay, this Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn things. Okay, for that, okay, we have a triple also at the bottom. For that, after this row, let's have a size box, and its height will be app padding. And let's create for that. Next we have to create a expanded, and expanded child will be list view.builder. List view.builder. Okay, and let's give physics to never scrollable scroll physics. Let's string flap to true. And item count to referral data.length. Referral data.length. Okay, that's, and let's change this item builder. For the item builder, we can pass the context and index to it. Context and index. And let's create it by naming as referral info detail. Referral info detail. And let's create this. For creating this, first of all, we can copy this. And for creating this, go to components, create a new dart file, name it as referral info detail. Let's make them as small letters. Referral info and detail. That's right. Let's import Flutter material.dart. Let's create a stateless widget. Let's paste the name here, and here we need to create a final info referral info model. Final referral info model to access the data that passed from the previous class. Let's create that referral. Yes, here it is, referral info model info. And let's hold here and let's make this required. And let's pass the data here. First of all, let's import this package and let's create it, and it will be referral data, and let's pass the index. Yeah, and let's go to the referral info detail. Here there's a container. Let's give a margin. Margin will be at insert.only from top, and this will be a padding. And let's have a padding at insert.all, and let's give this a padding. Oh, it's not only, it's at insert of all. A padding divided by 2. Okay, let's have a decoration, box decoration, and the color will be not enough color. Okay, should we need the decoration here? Let us check. Okay, we does not need this decoration. Let's remove. And here what we need? Okay, we need a row. For that, let's create a child. Child will be row, and first children will be a container. Okay, let's just check here once more. Okay, it's gone. Let's restart, reload the app. Let's create a container. Okay, sorry, not controller, container. It will have a padding. Padding will be at inserts dot cement. Okay, let's give at inserts all. That will be a padding divided by 1.5. That the height will be 40, width will be 40, and decoration will be box decoration. Color will be info dot color dot with opacity 0.1. Okay, let's run this. Okay. Let's give the border radius also. We are creating these circles for the icons. Okay, let's give a border radius. Okay, the app has been reloaded or restarted. Okay, here it is. It is here. Yeah, it looks good. Let's give a border radius. Border radius. Border radius dot circular. Let's give it as 30. let's reload. Yeah, everything becomes circles. Now next we need that icons to be placed there. For that we have child will be svg picture dot asset, svg picture dot asset, and the name will be info dot svg source. Okay, let's reload. Yeah, all the icons as well. Let's give a color. Color will be info color, info dot color. Okay, let's reload it once again. Yeah, it's perfect. Now we have to create that titles and the amount of reference. For that, let's create an expanded. Okay, not here. After this container, inside the row, let's create an expanded. Yeah, and the child will be. Okay, let me check the design once again. Yeah, the child will be row. Okay, row, and row will. Okay, let's give a padding here. Let's start with a padding, and let's give it only with symmetric, and horizontal will be a padding. Okay, and the first text, first children of the row will be text, and text will be info dot title. Let's reload. Again, it has been, I don't know what's happening with my computer. Let's keep on having the error. Okay, it's keep on stopping. Okay, let's code the rest. Let's give this style to it. We can have text style, and let's give a color, text color. Sorry, text. The app has been, the web page has been reloaded. Yeah, will be text color, and let's set some constraint to it. The max line should be 1, and overflow to text overflow dot ellipse. Okay, that's done, and let's create one more, and let's name this as count. Okay, it's an integer, we can keep it like that. Let's give in this and put a dollar symbol. Sorry, dollar sign with the curly braces. Okay, and for this we does not need this because it's just numbers, and the style will be we will have a text color, and let's have a font weight. font weight to gold. Okay, let's check the app. Okay, it's right next to the text here, and for that let's give the main axis alignment to space between, and let's check. Yeah, now it looks perfect. And now we successfully created this container. Next we need to create this line chart. For that, let's go to our dashboard content stream. Okay, we have created this thing here. We need to change that. Okay, let's change this container that we have previously created for just spacing purpose. Okay, let's change that. Let's change that to viewers. Okay, let's change this to viewers. To create this viewers, go to components and create a new dart. Okay, before that, let's copy this. Let's go to the components and create a new dart file and name it as viewers. Now let's import Flutter material.dart and let's create a stateless widget named as viewers, and now let's import it here. Okay, that's done. Okay, in this viewers, we have a container already here. Let's give the height as 350 and let's give a decoration, box decoration. Color will be secondary color, and let's have a border radius, and border radius will be border radius dot circular to 10. Okay, that's done, and let's just check that. Okay, let us reload and check this. Yeah, the container is perfectly created. Let us expand our okay, again it stopped. I don't know guys what's happening. Okay, it's taking too much time, again and again reloading. Okay, we have created the container. Let's check the design. Okay, we have a text here and we have a bar chart. We have something at the bottom. Okay, there is text over. Okay, yeah, containers are perfect. Yeah, now let's create a child. Child will be column, and let's give a cross axis alignment to cross axis alignment dot start, and let's have children. First children will be text, and let's name it as viewers. Okay, viewers. Okay, let's check. Here it is, viewers. Okay, we need some padding. Edge inserts dot all, and let's give it as a padding. Yeah, that's done. Now let's style the text. Text style. Color will be text color. Font weight will be W700. Font weight .W700, and font size to be 15. Okay, let's reload. It's reloading. Yeah, that's perfect. And let's create the line chart next. For that, after this text, let's create an expanded widget, and let's create a line chart. Let's name it as view line chart. View line chart. Okay, to create this, go to components and let's create a dart file. Before that, let's copy and again create a dart file. Let's paste it here and make it small letters. Line chart. Okay, it's loading. It's taking too much time to load this. Yeah, it's having created. Let's import material.dart. Let's create a stateless widget and rename it as line chart. Now let's import it here and go to the line chart. Here, okay, we have a container here. Inside this container, let's create. Okay, what we need? Okay, let's have a padding here. That padding will be edge inserts dot. Let's give from LB, from LTRB. Left will be app padding. From top will be app padding multiplied by 1.5, and right will be app padding, and bottom will be app padding. Okay, let it be app padding. We can check and let's change that. Okay, now the padding is done. Let's rearrange the code once, and after padding, let's create a child, and child will be line chart, and this line chart is from the package FL charts. Line, okay, this thing, line chart, and inside this line chart, let's have a line chart data. This one, okay, line chart data, and line chart data will have grid data, and let's create FL grid data. Grid, okay, FL grid data, and let's write it as show to false. Okay, we does not want to show our grid in this. Okay, what grid means? It will show some lines here, horizontal and vertical lines. That makes a grid. We does not need that grid here, so we write that grid to show is false. Now let us have tiles data. After this grid data, let us have tiles data, and tiles data will be FL tiles data, this one, FL tiles data, and let's show to true. Yeah, we need to show that. And then you have bottom tiles, and as the same thing we created in this thing, first let's create the contents here. Then only let's create the tiles. That will be better. Okay, for that time we'll just comment this thing. After this FL tiles data, okay, here we need to create a border data, this one, and it will take the parameter, it will have FL border data, and we can have a show to false. Okay, like this. And after here let's have min x to, it's min x to 0, and max x to 20, and min y to 0 and max y to 6. Okay, this says that our minimum value can be given to the x is 20 and maximum values to x is 20 and maximum values for y is 6. Okay, next let's have line bar data, and let's have line chart bar data, this one. Here let's create these sports. Here it will have the property sports, and we need to create some random sports. To create the sport, let's name it as FL sport, this one, and first one will be 0, 3. Just reload and check anything happens in our app. Yeah, this is the first sport that we have created. We can change the color and rest things later. Okay, and let's copy this and paste it again, and once more. Okay, that's enough, and just give some random values to it. Let's give 4, 2, and next will be 9, 4, and next will be 12, 3. Only thing you have to keep in mind that you should give the x values to increasing, else if we have a x values less than the previous value, it will make the chart look coming backwards. That's the only problem. So just keep that in mind. Just say 15.5. You can keep any values, and just remember this thing to give the x-axis values to increasing order only. Okay, just give this as 4. Okay, that's done. Oh, just 6, I think. Okay, that's done. Now let's reload and just check the app. Yeah, now it has been created like this. Okay, let's change this 6. Okay, again this app got closed. Now we need to restart. Okay, I don't like this 6 here, let it be 0. So it okay, let's reload and it will be fine, I think. Now let's design this line. Now we have a random this has been loaded. Let's say this size. Okay, let's have a size here. Now it looks like a line chart. Okay, we need a curvy structure to it. For that, it has a property here. Let's give that property. Its property is east curve. Let's name it as 2. Okay, let's check that. Yeah, now over this thing will become much better. I think this is also not working for me. Let's change this to 4 and just reload. Yeah, now this looks much better. Okay, and let's change the color to primary color. Let's check. Yeah, that's done. And next, let's give a bar width. Just give it as 5, and let's give a stroke to it. Stroke cap round that to 2. Okay, let's check this. Yeah, it's perfect. And next, we does not need that dots there. Which dots? That's not necessary. Let's have dot data and fl dot data. This one, fl dot data. Let's have the show to false. Okay, let's reload. Yeah, it's perfect. Next thing, we need to have a gradient here. Now it's the gradient that is where let's look like a shade with a primary color. Okay, to create this gradient, we have another property here that's below the bar chart data, and let's create it as bar area data. Just have the show to true. Okay, now let's check. Okay, it has a fill with dark gray color. Let's change the color. The color will be color gradient. Okay, it should be a gradient. Can we have a gradient function here? Okay, let's create a gradient. For that, go to top and let's create a gradient here. List color, and let's name it as gradient color. Gradient colors equal to, okay, the first will be primary, okay, or not primary color, and that can be given. Okay, then the second will be secondary color. Okay, then we have a primary color, then we have a secondary color. let's put a semicolon here. Okay. Now let's go back here. We can call our gradient colors here and let's map it. And it will be E dot with opacity 0.3 dot to list. Okay, it's not showing here. Here, let me check. Okay, I think this to list is after this. Okay. Let's reload. Okay, that's done. Okay, let's reload and check. Okay, there is some errors here. Okay, let's stop here. Okay, let's change it to stateful widget. Okay, now it has been done. Okay. Oh, we have just a gradient here. We need to change this to the gradient should be from vertical direction. For that, we can have a gradient from, let's give an offset. Offset will be 0,0 and gradient 2 will be offset 0,115. Or just give test it. Let's reload the app. Yeah, this looks perfect. Okay, again it closes. Let's restart. I don't know. It's several times it's closing. I think it's time to update the system. Okay, we have created that. Now there are some datas here. That's Sunday, Monday. That's our tiles. Let's create that. That's our side tiles. Let's increase. Yeah, okay, and we just want to play this. We need the date here. For that, let's uncomment this and light, and we have side tiles and show tiles to true, and let's give a reserved size. Reserved size will be 22, and let's have a get text style will be value, and let's give it as text style. The color will be light text color, and font weight will be bold, and font size will be 14. Okay, that's done. Now we have to let's rearrange the code. Yeah, now after the style, get tiles will be value. Let's pass the style here. That style is value, and here Let's create a switch case. Switch value to int dot to int here, and let's create the switch cases. Case 1, case 1, it will be return as Sunday. Okay, let's check this. Okay, there are errors. I think it's because of I don't know what's. Let me check the error. Okay, it might be closing a null. Okay, we can return here also. Return a string with nothing. Okay, let's reload and check. Let's go. Okay, it looks good. I think the gradient is too much here. Yeah, the gradient looks a little bit bigger. Let's give it as 1.5 and check that. Just reload and check. Yeah, it looks perfect. And I think this is too small. Let's give 1.75. This will be yeah, this is perfect. Next, and our side tile also come. Let's create some more. Case 2 will be Monday. Case 3 will be Tuesday. Let's give capital T. Case 4 will be Wednesday. Okay, let's forward to be 4. Case 5, case 6, and case 7. Okay, let me check what's happening. Oh, all are too close here. Okay, we need to. I think it's again closing. There are some hangs. Okay, let me go to Android Studio, please. Okay, nothing is working here. Sorry guys, because of lag I have to restart my computer once again. Sorry if there is any difficulties before restarting. There are some lags on my computer. Okay, we can hold the rest. Now all the things are fused together. We need to have some space. For that we can change this case to 4 and this to 7, this to 10, this to 13, 16, and this to 19. And Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, now let's check. Let's reload. Yeah, that's perfect. Even if we go through that, it shows some random values. Yeah, that's correct. Next we have to create this device. Users by device. Okay, I think this is a pie chart. We can create this by a custom paint because it's simple, just a line, only that. Does not need to use a package. We can use we can draw a line with custom paint. Okay, for that, to create that, go to the dashboard content, and here what we need, okay, we need to change this to our discussions to what is that, users by device. Okay, we have already created that. Okay, there it is. This is the discussions, and let's change this. Okay, let's change this to okay, not here. This is the mobile. Okay, it's responsiveness things. Okay, we can do that later. First, let us finish it for desktop, and we will give the responsiveness after that. Okay, here it is. This is discussions. It is for not mobile. Okay, here let's create users by device. Users by device. Okay, this is it. And to create this, go to the components, and let's create a new Dart file. And okay, before that, forgot to copy this. Just create a Dart file. Let's paste it, and let's make it small letters for each capital letters. Users by device. And let's import material.pad, auto-material.pad. Let's create a stateless widget and name it as users by device. Now let's import this here in the dashboard content. Okay, let's import it here. And now we have a container here. Let's change it to 350. Okay, the height to 350. And okay, let's check. Okay, we need to give a color also for checking. Let's give the color to, not child, color to primary color. Okay, now let's check. Okay, this is our dashboard. Yeah, this looks perfect. It's not scrolling down. I think we need to have a padding at the bottom. That will make a little bit scrollable. Okay, now here it's done. Okay, let's remove this color. Let's have a decoration, box decoration, and the color will be secondary color. And let's give a border radius dot circular, and it will be done. Okay, and we need to give a we need a padding. Let's give a padding for this. Edge insets something here. Edge insets dot all, and it will be a padding. Yeah, that's done. And let's check the design. Here is the users by device, and here there is a custom painter, and there are desktop and mobiles at the bottom. Okay, let's create that. For that, let's have a child. The child will be column. That's the cross-axis alignment to start. Cross-axis alignment dot start. Next, have a children. First will be text, and it will be users by device. let's style this. Style, text style, color will be text color. Okay, size will be 15, font size will be 15, and font weight will be W700. Yeah, let's check. Let's reload. Yeah, there it is. Oh, it's not about scrolling. I have keep the windows down. That's why it's not saying. Okay, now it looks perfect. There is enough padding here also. Okay. There is the users regulars. Okay. Padding is yes here. Let's change the color and just check. Let's give this okay, not this color, primary color. I think there is enough padding or not. Okay, let's check that in the responsiveness. When we correcting the responsiveness, we will also correct this. Okay, now this is done. Next, the text. Okay, the text is done. Next, we need a container. Not controller, container. Let's give a margin. Edge insets dot all. That will be a padding, and padding. Let's give a padding. Edge insets dot all. Add padding. It's done. Let's give a height to 320. We'll have a child. Child will be custom paint. Yeah. And custom paint will have a will have foreground painter, and we will create a painter that let's name it as radial painter. Radial painter. Okay, let's create this. Let's copy this and let's go to the components. Create a Dart file and name it as radial painter. Let's import material.dart, Flutter material.dart. Let's create a stateless widget and create radial painter. Okay, let's import this here. Let's import. Okay, we need some functions though. We need to pass some functions though. For that, let's create final color, background color, final color, line color, final double %, and final double width. These are the 4 parameters. Let's add this and let's make all them as required. comma here and rearrange the code. Yeah, that's done. Okay, now here let's pass all these values, and to pass these values we have to pass a background color. Background color will be, check, okay, this thing. Let's just give text color with opacity 0.1. okay, next we need to pass line color, and that will be primary color, this one. Next we have to pass percent, that will be 0.7, and next will be width, that will be 1.18. okay, let's check this error. Let's go to data analysis. Okay, the argument type radial painter can't be assigned to the parameter type custom painter. Okay, the radial. Oh, it's because of we have created a stateless widget for this. We need to extend. We need to give custom painter. Custom painter, radial painter, and we need to take this key. There is no key needed for the custom painter. Okay, it's that. Okay. Yeah, that's done. And now let's remove this widget, this thing, and let's create two overloading methods. Yeah, it will have a paint and a should repaint. Fine. Okay, now let's remove this and let's create a background paint here. That will be paint background line. Let's name it as background line. BG line will be equal to paint, and let's code that. It will be color will be equal to BG color, and stroke will be CR stroke cap. Okay, stroke cap will be stroke cap dot round. Then next we have a style. Style will be paint style dot stroke. Okay, and let's give a stroke width. Stroke. Okay, there is stroke width. Stroke width will be width. Yeah. Okay, we created a background line. Okay, let's draw this line. Let's draw this BG line. Before that, let's make this return to true. Okay, let's return that true. And here, okay, here let's make an offset. Let's make a center. Center will be offset, and the dx will be size dot width. divided by 2, and dy will be size dot height divided by 2. Okay, that will be the center. And let's have a radius, double. Let's create a radius. Radius will be min size dot width divided by 2 and size dot width and size dot height divided by 2. Okay, and let's draw this. For drawing, we have canvas dot draw circle. The C means center. Center will be our center, the center, and radius will be radius, and paint will be BG line. Yeah, BG line. Okay, there is an error. Let's check what it is. Yeah, import dart.math. That's great. Let's import dart.math and let's reload. Okay, there was another issue. Oh, we forgot to put semicolon. Okay, let's reload and check. Yeah, it's only a dot here. I think. Okay, I think it's because we need to add. There is no height and width to this. It does not pass anything, and if we add some child to it, it may increase the size. Let's do that. Let's give a child. Child will be a text. Text will be $70, and let's give this percentage 70%, and let's style this. Style text style. Color will be text color. Font size will be 36 and font weight will be W600. Okay, now let us reload the app and check. Okay, it's increased and it's at the top. Okay, let's make it this to the center. Let's wrap with a widget. Here it is, center, and let's reload once again. Yeah, that's it, perfect. And next we need to create this blue color, and there is a button, desktop and mobile. For that, this is button, desktop, and okay. For that, let's go back to Radial Painter. Here. Okay, now let's create the stroke line. For that, and we can copy and paste this again for easy coding. Let's name this to stroke line, or what will we give the name? Let's name it as colored line. Colored line. Okay, the color will be background color, stroke will be round, stroke and width. Yeah, all are same thing. And now let's create that. And for that, it's not a complete circle. We have an angle for this. it's only up to here. This is means 70% of this circle. Okay, for that we need to create the angle also. For that let's create a double. Let's create sweep angle. Sweep angle equal to 2 into pi star percent. Okay, this percent. Let's copy and paste. Percent. Next, let's draw the circle. To draw the no, it's not a circle, it's an arc. Circle means it should touch complete it. To draw this arc, we have canvas dot draw. Here it is, draw arc, and rect will be rect from circle, and rect dot from circle, and the center will be center, and radius will be radius. And let's give an angle. Start angle will be sweep angle. Okay, no, sweep angle is this, and the start will be minus pi divided by 2. Okay, and center to false, and paint to complete line. Sorry, paint to what's our lines. Okay, it's colored line. Just copy and paste this here. Colored line, and let's rearrange the code, and don't forget to put the semicolon here. Okay, let's reload. Okay, the color is gray. To change that, change the background color to line color. Yeah, that's completely perfect. Now we have to create the desktop and mobile. Okay. For that, go to users by device. After this container, let's create a row, and let's have main axis alignment. Main axis alignment dot space around. Okay, let's give the space around, and let's have children. Okay, first children will be again a row. Row will have children. The first will be icons dot okay, icons dot circle, this thing. Let's reload and check. Here it is. Okay, let's give a color to primary color, and let's give a size of 10. Let's rearrange the code, and let's have a size box here, and the width will be padding divided by 2. And now let's create a text. Text will be desktop, and let's style text style. Color will be let me check what's the color. It is it's not blue. Okay, then let's give a text color with opacity 0.5, and let's give a weight. Font weight will be bold. Yeah, let's reload and check. Yeah, that's perfect. And let's create one more row. Just copy and paste the same paste, and let's change the desktop to mobile and change the primary color to text color with opacity 0.1. Let's check. Yeah, it's perfect. And I think it's slightly bar. I think let's increase the opacity also. Let's increase the opacity to 0.2, and let's give padding here. Let's give a padding. Let's give it only a symmetric and horizontal a padding. Yeah, and this looks perfect. And this UI is completed, but we should check the responsiveness also. And it's perfectly fine with desktop view, and it is shrinking. That's correct. And when it is come to the tab view, okay, tab view, there is some padding issues for tab view, and when it is mobile, yeah, for mobile there are issues. Okay, let's go that. For that, go to the dashboard contents and let's check where's the row starting. Here it is. Okay, here there is a row and there is our top reference. Okay, this top reference, let me check with the design and we increase. Sorry, that's not perfect. Okay, when we just reload and check. Yes, this top reference, that it's only needed when it is in the tablet screen and desktop screen. It should be go down for the mobile screen. Okay, let's do that first. For that, let's make this as, okay, let's copy this and just paste it here. Then it's if responsive, let's make it if not responsive. If this is not responsive is mobile, it is not a mobile screen, then we have to show the top reference. Okay, and there is a column. Okay, let's check. Yeah, now the top reference have been gone from here. Yeah, and let's have a size box also. Let's copy this and just paste it here, and let's have a size box of with app padding. Yeah, now this is done. Now this part is done. Now we have to bring our top reference in a column. This column when it is in the mobile screen, that we have to do next. Yeah, for that, okay, I think it's a little bit confusing for you. Okay, to make it a little more simple, I will just do that like this. Okay, let's divide it in two parts. Let's divide this as a part and this as a part. Okay, we have a column right now and we are adding this as a single row and this as another row. Okay, let's do that. So that will be much easy for you to understand. For that, let's go here and just wrap this widget with a column. Yeah, this is the row here and we have another row. Let's wrap this row, just cut it and just paste this here. Okay, now we divide this into two rows. This row will have this much data and this row will have the bottom data, this area, this. Okay, now expand this second row. Yeah, and now okay, let me check once again. Okay, let me reload and check is there any issues. Yes. Okay, there are no issues. Okay, if it is in desktop screen, there are no issues. All things looks perfect. Yeah, then we decrease the size when it is in tab. Also it looks no problem, or it is working. When it is come to mobile, yeah, when it is come to mobile, there is users, discussions, views, and there is again discussions, and our top referral is gone. So we need to add that. Okay, in this second row there is a column and we are adding discussions. This is the problem that we are not getting the top reference. Okay, then we can add it here. For that, just copy this top reference and paste it here. Okay, now the discussions will change to discussions will, okay, sorry, just reload. Now we get the top reference. Now we need the next thing, that is called our custom printer thing. This one, this is also missing in the screen. For that, there is a column here. Here is just the column. We can copy this thing. Just copy this part and paste. Okay, we are just adding into the column. That's the only thing. We add top reference, then we added size box, then we are calling what's its name? It's yes, users by device. Just paste it here. Just reload. And the mobile screen at the bottom, yes, it's also come. then all the screens are completed. All the widgets has come here. And there are, let's check this once again. If we increase this, oh, again it's gone. Let's reload. Please wait. Okay, our application has been restarted successfully. Okay, there is only a small issue here, which means this has no padding. And let me check. When we reduce the size, it's almost touches the this container is also having no padding. For that, now let us for this. Okay, there is a column here, and let's add a size box. Size box. And the height will be half padding. Okay, let's reload the app. Okay, when we go here and here. Okay, this size has been done correctly. Now we have to do the padding of this. For that, let's go to the use by device and let's wrap this with a padding. That's only from top. Top will be a padding. Let's reload. Let's zoom. Yeah, now it's perfect. When it is, let's check it like that. When we increase the size, it's going like perfect. Yeah, by that our dashboard screen is completely finished. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I will reply to all your comments, and thank you for watching and following along this tutorial. If you like the channel, please subscribe to the channel and like the video and share this video to your friends. Thank you. We will see with a click content next time.